Jump the gun here. So what about these myofibroblasts? They're modified granulation tissue fibroblasts. Modified granulation tissue fibroblasts. Okay? The large plump cells resembling smooth muscle cells. They actively synthesize mucopolysaccharides and collagen. Okay? Actively synthesize mucopolysaccharides and collagen. So smooth muscle cells don't do that, right? They don't make collagen. Fibroblasts make collagen. So they are in fact fibroblasts, but they act like smooth muscle cells. Okay? And you'll see why they have to act like smooth muscle cells, because when you get a scar, when you get damaged tissue, I mean you may start with a big gaping wound, but you end up with a small little scar right there, which is amazing. How the body reacts and actually contracts down. So these myofibroblasts, and as a part of this granulation tissue, are going to actually begin to contract down, contract the parts together, and you know, as they pulling two components together there, make it for a smaller area of fibrous connective tissue replacement or fall a small scar. Okay, so they don't play that role of contraction there, as well as laying down fibrous connective tissue. Okay, so now that brings us to again, wound healing. A minute here. First intention healing and second intention healing. I'm not going to go through obviously all this at this point, but first intention, second intention healing. We're going to talk about that. First intention, of course, is healing as a result of less damage to tissue. I mean, things like that has to take place when there's like a surgical scar. I mean, you make a decision, and you're not damaging a whole lot of tissue, but still that has to be healed. That's an example of first intention. Second, when you can approximate the edges of their wound together like that, versus second intention when you got a large gaping wound or something, and you gotta really gotta approximate the edges as best you can. And many times that leaves an open scar. You know, not necessarily open, but a larger scar in the case of second intention healing. So we'll talk about that the next time. We'll finish up this on Friday. This afternoon we have a lab on the 5th floor in Patterson. So we'll do that this afternoon, and as I said, we'll finish this on Friday. Next week, Dr. Gibbons will come in with neoplasia. Now, I think between now and neoplasia, the completion of neoplasia, I don't know when the next exam is in this section. Got it? What is that?
3 weeks from
November 15th. So there's a lot of time to fly between me completing healing and repair and inflammation. All right, since I'm going to do that on Friday. So you're going to be covering a lot of things in the interim. And in the past, we've not included 3 sections on that in this exam. We just included what I covered, which is healing and repair and inflammation. It may be the case this time. Dr. Gibbons, she probably would have finished neoplasia by that time. So she may want to add that to it. I have to check and see if she wants to add that to my section. And so if she doesn't, then there's a lot of time for you to go back over information, healing and repair, and connect with it. Connect with that. I know you put it on hold because you had exams and stuff coming up, and you kind of put it to the side, and you were here, but you weren't really focusing on what we were talking about. You need to take that time and get back. That's it. Fall back in love with information. Take the time with them and heal and repair. You know, don't lose sight of that. Okay, because you examine. There's a lot of stuff in between my completion and the exam time. So use that time wisely, please. Okay. All right. So we'll see you this afternoon for the lab.